Hi, my name is Vladimir Steblev and I'm Global Marketing Manager in EasyRobotics. Our company has sold more than 1,000 robot cells. We have 120 distributors in 36 countries, and this number keeps growing. Today, I would like to introduce you to the Profeeder Compact robot. It's a part of a compact family, which includes Profeeder Compact, Compact XL, and Compact Robot. This is the Profeeder Compact robot. It's a self-contained automation solution. It's a compact working station with top-mounted robot, controller compartment, and 2 tray versions. And each tray is made of a solid 2 mm steel and has a wide loading area, which is 600 by 400. The Profeeder Compact robot is designed with a focus on safety. It has 2 sides, one is for the operator and the other one is for the robot. Another great thing about it is that it has a very compact footprint. It's even less than a standard Euro pallet. As other products from the family, the compact robot is available with both mechanical and air tray locking system. Like other products from EasyRobotics, the Profeeder Compact robot is fully compatible with 99% of modern collaborative robots. Thanks to the universal mount, the cobot can be fixed at an angle of 45 or 0 degrees that provides full access to the entire surface of the built-in trays. Now, let's take a look at the controller compartment. As you see, it's easily sliding out and you gain full access to all the cables and connectors inside. To find your local distributor, please visit easyrobotics.biz.